Hey, it's Terry with YARcoach.com. Welcome to Tuesdays with Terry. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about anger. Anger is a secondary emotion. There's always a primary emotion that comes before it. So if you're getting mad, what I'd ask you to do is to take a look at what comes before mad. In other words, am I hurt? Am I embarrassed? Am I sad? What is it? In the case of the woman who came to my workshop and said she hated her son, I knew it wasn't true. What happened was she was really sad that her son was moving out. She was really hurt that he was going to go live with his dad. And she reacted in a way that wasn't great. And if she could have stopped that anger and stopped and thought about what she was really feeling, love for her son, sadness that he'd be gone, and told him that, she would have had a whole different reaction from him than the one she got, and the reason which brought her to my workshop. So if you haven't gotten this book, The Identity Crisis of Parenting, I would recommend that you get it because we talk about the anger cycle in here, and it's very clear and very short and very concise, but a lot more in depth than what we're going to go through here on the video. So what I would suggest you do is take a look at the reasons that you're angry most of the time, and to look at the feeling behind that. And take a look at the link that I've sent to you and try to identify what you're really feeling before you get to anger. Take good care, and we'll see you next time right here on Tuesdays with Terry. Bye for now.